Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see pivot table. In this Excel we have one table. Please select the table. Go to insert option, select pivot table and then select from table range. So once we selected this option, one pop-up will come. On this pop-up, new worksheet, go with the new worksheet so that we will have one more sheet here. Just to give OK. Here you can see one more sheet created. On this sheet, we are going to put pivot table. On the right side, we can see one table. On this table, all the columns, it is listed out. Section number, name, date, hours, everything. So on the filters, I am going to drag it down, date. On the row, I am going to drag name, values, I am going to drag hours. Here we can see now. So based on the name, we are having the hours. So if you want date wise, please select the date. I will select the first date. Here we can see on this particular date, we are having the data. I will select the next one. See? So this is how we should use pivot table on MS Excel. Thank you for watching.